This is a case of a male senior with NO5 nuclear opalescent cataract. We are using a Zeiss Callisto microscope together with a ZEISS Quatera 700. After aspiration of the pre-cortical material, an initial pothole is fashioned. Placing the phaco tip inside this pothole will allow it to serve as a counterstop to prevent the movement of the nucleus during horizontal chopping. At least 6 similarly sized loose pie segments will be created. Extreme care is taken to ensure that each pie segment is completely free from each other. Completely loose pie segments facilitate optimum followability during emulsification of the cataract. This dry pre-chopping technique results in zero energy spent during nuclear disassembly. Once the loose pie segments are created, the only thing left to do is to place the petal on the metal. The futuristic fluidics of the Quatera 700 is in a league of its own. Optimum followability with anterior chamber stability results in efficiency, which is second to none. At a vacuum of 700 with advanced power modulation set to hard quad, an IOP of 60 with enabled power on demand, the cataract is gone in a few seconds. The effective phaco time is unbelievably low, resulting in minimal corneal edema and crystal clear clarity the following day.